going to multiply by the reciprocal on both sides as usual. Now this is the step that it's imperative that you stop and think about, am I multiplying by a negative? So it's the reciprocal that you always stop and think about, is my reciprocal negative? If my reciprocal is negative, I'm going to have to flip the inequality. So, what's my reciprocal? 1/2, is that negative? No, so do we need to flip the inequality? No. So multiply both sides by 1/2. I do not flip the inequality because my reciprocal is positive. And then I just wrap it. Open or close circle. Close because of the equal. Right, because of the equal sign. Less than or equal to. And then do we go to the negative or positive direction or negative? Negative. Any questions? So let's go to our last example. The first thing we need to do here is rewrite our division with multiplication and rewrite our subtraction with addition. Now notice when you do this, you can already see the coefficient of your x, which is -1/3. So you know right away that when you multiply by reciprocal on the last step, you'll be multiplied by a negative. So just kind of notice that. Now, if I had several x's in there, several variables, I wouldn't know that for sure until I got to simplify, right? So you won't always know that on the first step, but I'll easily follow the coefficient. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides, just like normal. Now, your opposite step does not affect the flipping of the inequality. It doesn't matter if you add a negative to both sides. That does not affect the inequality. It's only multiplication affected. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Now, what are we going to multiply both sides by? -3. Is your reciprocal negative? Yes. So what does that tell us to do? Flip the inequality. And you flip it on the very last step, this step. So when I multiply, I get x is less than -6. So I flip the inequality on the very last step where I write my answer down after I multiply by that negative reciprocal. So you know how to open or close circle? To go in the positive or negative direction? Negative. And we can also check these just like equations by plugging the -6 in for x.